Hello students, today we'll discuss about quadrilateral. You must have learned about quadrilateral in your previous classes. Here, before knowing more about a quadrilateral, let's have a quick recall for a quadrilateral. Let's have the introduction. As per the definition, quadrilateral is a polygon having 4 sides. Let's draw a polygon having 4 sides here. From this figure, from this quadrilateral, we can get rest of the detail of it. How many sides we can see here? There are 4 sides. That means a polygon having 4 sides. How many vertices? A, B, C, D. We have got 4 vertices. Is it? Now angles. How many angles we can see here? A, B, C, D. 4 angles. Done. Now diagonals. How many diagonals we can draw here? We can draw 1 and 2. Students, what is the definition of a diagonal? A diagonal is a line segment which joins 2 vertices which are not adjacent. Here we are getting one pair of diagonal, that means 2 diagonals, right? Now, angle sum of a quadrilateral. Angle sum of a quadrilateral, is it fixed? What is the measure of the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral? Students, you know from your previous class, the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degree. Now, let's divide this quadrilateral into 2 parts, like into 2 triangles A, B, D, and another is B, C, D. So, I'm drawing here these 2 triangles into 2 parts. Right? This is our triangle A, B, D, and this is our B, C, D. Fine? Now, from your previous concept, you can say the sum of angle A, B, and D is 180 degree. Similarly, sum of B, C, D will be 180 degree from angle sum property of a triangle. Now, when we join these 2 triangles, what happens? Our angle sums are also joined together. Now, the overall angle is 180 plus 180, that is 360. That means we can say that the sum of all the angles will be 360 degree. This is actually general concept. We can prove it geometrically. Now in next step, we are going to prove the angle sum of a quadrilateral which will be 360. Let's see how it's going on. Now students, let's prove the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. We have the same figure with a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now, we are proving it in geometrically. Let A, B, C, D be a quadrilateral. And AC, let us take only one diagonal here, right? I'm just rubbing this one. Why I have taken one diagonal? Just to take 2 triangles which we have used in our general concept. So let's we have one diagonal. Let and BD be the diagonal. Fine. Now, from triangle ABD, from triangle ABD, we get that angle BAD, that means this angle, we get angle BAD plus ABD plus ABD plus BADB. ADB sum of three angles will be 180 degree. From where? From angle sum property of a triangle. Done? Now, just take it equation 1. Similarly, from this triangle, from triangle BCD, from triangle BCD we get angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle CDB. CDB is equals to 180 degree. From where? From angle sum property of a triangle. Done? Just take it as equation 2. Now adding both the equation we get, adding equation 1 and 2 we get, we'll add the left hand side together and then right hand side together. So we'll write them combined. BAD plus ABD plus ADB plus DBC plus BCD plus CDB is 180 degree plus 180 degree. What we get? This is 360 degree. Done? Now, here we can join few of the triangles together. How? Angle BAD. This is angle BAD. I am writing here BAD. Now, ABD. In case of ABD, we can include ABD with DBC, which is there, DBC. Both the B angles, let's write them together. Angle DBC, I am writing them together. Fine. Now for triangle BCD, BCD is alone, so leave it alone itself. Now what about angle ADB? ADB, you can combine angle ADB with this ADB with ADB. CDB. This will be 360 degree. Finally, we are getting angle BAD plus ABD plus DBC. ABD plus DBC. That means this plus this is the whole which we can get from the figure itself. So this whole angle is ABC. So we can write here ABC instead of this 2. Fine. Now angle BCD, whatever is there, I am writing the same here. Again ADB plus CDB. What is ADB plus CDB? ADB plus CDB make an angle ADC. I am writing here ADC. Finally, it is 360 degree. You can see here angle BAD, angle ABC, angle BCD, angle ADC. That means these four angles. These four angles are denoting here, and their sum is 360 degree. So this is the proof of the angle sum property of a quadrilateral.